Do you want to use words? That could really help me out. No, Vermont, no. That is fine. Tongues are fine. May I encourage the audience from refraining to release any kind of natural gases at this moment?
Sorry.
Why are you looking at me like that? You look like you want to put me on that grill or something and put some like marinara sauce on me or something. What are you doing with that? What are you doing with that? You look pretty concentrated on your work there. So, by any chance, could we sample your chicken?